Goodson, Dr. David Smith in his 9th year as the Big 12 champions, ready to go. They were the winners in the Midwest Regional. Next door, you've got the Wildcats of Villanova. They won the Big East Conference for the 2nd time. 32 times they've been in the NCAA championships. Marcus O'Sullivan, Venable Myler, a 4-time Olympian, in his 17th year at the helm, has the Wildcats in box 28. In box 30, the Lobos of New Mexico, Joe Franklin out of Greencastle, Indiana, in his 8th year at the helm. They've won 6 straight Mountain West championships, 6 times. Coach Franklin's had his Lobos at this starting line. Then, in their first ever NCAA appearance, Ole Miss, the Mississippi Rebels, the SEC runners-up. They are the South Regional champions. Coach Brian O'Neill in his 3rd year has the Rebels ready to run. Making their first ever NCAA appearance in box 32, the Paladins of Furman University. They are the Southern Conference champions with an unheard of 1-9 finish at their conference meet. They were a 4-point runner-up in the Southeast Regional. Coach Robert Gary has Furman in position 32. Next door, Walt Grinch Spartans of Michigan State. They come out of the Great Lakes Regional where they're runner-up. Michigan State making their 50th NCAA Finals appearance. The Golden Hurricane are next out of Tulsa. Steve Gooley in his 15th year, the American Athletic Conference champions. They have won 5 straight titles now in conference play. The runners-up in the Midwest Regional making their 6th appearance here in the NCAAs. And that gun you heard just a moment ago signifies, folks, we're 20 minutes away from race time. And that note to coaches, you should have by now been through the clerking tent, and all chips, all bibs should have been turned in. Kate Avery, Iona. Kate Avery, Iona, you need to report to the green pole barn on the paved lot. That's the media area. Kate Avery, Iona, please do so as soon as possible. Now, folks, back to that starting line, just under 20 minutes to go. In box 35, the Cardinal of Stanford University. Ranked number 9 in the country. They were 3rd in the Pac-12, 3rd in the West Regional, and the Cardinal on the line for the 21st straight year. Next, Kevin Sullivan. The former All-American from Michigan has his Wolverines. The first-year coach